Hello everybody and welcome to another video of our channel Crypto Power. Today's video is about NFTs. We'll be answering the questions, what are NFTs, how do they work, and how are they related to the gaming world? NFT collectibles are a byproduct of the art market's 21st century march toward technology, democratization, and commodification, and they're here to stay. Prior to the COVID-19 outbreak, most art collectors had never heard of non-fungible tokens, or NFTs, and those who had rejected the digital assets as terrible art, dirty money vehicles, or both. Just a quick reminder, this channel has a weekly giveaway of $100 worth of cryptocurrency of your choice. All you have to do to win is watch this video till the end, leave us a comment below saying you subscribed, and also let us know which cryptocurrency you would choose and why. The winners will be contacted directly. Good luck! Also, feel free to leave your thoughts on NFTs. Do you think they're the future? So without wasting any time, let's start this video with the basics. What is an NFT? NFTs are basically digital assets that reflect real-world objects such as art, music, in-game content, and movies. They're bought and sold online, usually using cryptocurrency, and are often installed with the same software as many other cryptos. Let me add here that in addition to being available since 2014, NFTs are growing in popularity as the most popular ways to buy and sell digital art. NFTs are similarly one-of-a-kind, or at least one-of-a-kind run, and contain unique identification codes. In simple terms, we can also say that NFTs generate digital shortages, which are highly comparable to the vast majority of digital creations, which are always available indefinitely. If a particular asset is demanded, reducing the supply would increase its value. Now let's move on to the mechanics of NFTs. NFTs are separate tokens linked to Ethereum or any other blockchain containing additional data. Additional information is very important as it allows them to be represented as art, music, and video, etc. in JPEGs, MP3s, movies, GIFs, and more. They can be bought and sold as other types of art because they have value. And, like real art, their value is largely determined by market and demand. And that's not to say that there is only one digital version of NFT work available for purchase on the market, but still, that's the basic idea. But copies of an NFT are still legitimate portions of the blockchain. Just like art prints of an original are created, used, bought, and sold, but they will not have the same value as the original. They also have certain property rights as well. NFTs can have only one owner at a time. It's easy to verify ownership and transfer tokens between owners because NFTs enter unique data. Similarly, they can also be used by the owner or engineer to manage certain information. For example, artists can sign their work by entering their signature into NFT metadata. Isn't that cool? Yes, it is, because it's the new way of keeping works of art. So now let's discuss what's actually behind NFTs, or in other words, how NFTs work. NFT is based on a block of data on a blockchain ledger that provides metadata, which can contain information such as ownership rights, a description of the asset, and authenticity assurances. This includes the asset file itself in the event of entirely digital assets with no physical counterpart. But some people feel that the NFT world will continue to grow and that it will become the future of monetization for artists, fans, and sports. And on the other side, other people also predict NFTs will become a bigger craze in the near future. They argue that additional infrastructure is needed around NFT ownership before the general public becomes interested. Without a question, we've already seen that the technology has the potential to have a significant influence on physical assets. However, there are several concerns about the NFT market's stability. But still, it's a thrilling moment to be part of this movement. What do you guys say? Do you guys own any NFTs? Or are you planning to buy one? Let us know below. Getting back to the topic, as far as we're concerned, the long-term sustainability of NFTs is linked to the overall trajectory of the cryptocurrency industry. As the process of minting any NFT takes place on a specific cryptocurrency network, such as Ethereum, Polygon, and Solana. Among them, the Ethereum blockchain network is used by OpenSea, the largest NFT platform, and there are a lot of other platforms which use multiple blockchains. But a gas charge, i.e. a fee, on Ethereum blockchain can range between $1 or maybe $500 of the Ether cryptocurrency, which the network works on, in order to mint a unique NFT, which is quite high. But when you can sell that NFT for $100 million, then that's not an issue, I guess. Or is it? But there are also some negative aspects, such as the NFT's underlying blockchain technology being especially energy intensive. And worries have been expressed about how this technology may increase the creative industry's carbon impact. According to the Ethereum Energy Consumption Index, a single NFT transaction on the Ethereum network has the same carbon impact as 2 typical families' daily emissions. And that's why we feel that the NFT market will encounter increased pushback from green government legislation unless it can provide scalable, environmentally acceptable technologies. But there are a lot of new projects on the way to market which will somehow find the solution or will at least reduce the impact. So you guys shouldn't worry about that. Now let's discuss how NFTs are related to gaming, because that's another big industry. We believe that there are many reasons why NFT and video games are a combination made in heaven. First, almost all previous models of online gaming communities limit what can be purchased to use in that game with a single account. Then all the player's game money will expire if his or her account is stolen, inactive, or if a player suddenly becomes bored and moves on to another game. Many games have indeed learned to accept this. This paradigm continued because there was no other effective method. That is, until NFTs arrived and transformed the industry. By building in-game content in NFTs, players own and control whatever they buy, earn, or do. It's about more than just showing off your character's new unique accessory. It means that these assets can be bought and sold in secondary markets, transferred to games, and players can keep the value that they've invested in the first place. This is quite interesting for gamers, and they've already responded very positively to NFTs. Now moving on to the final concern, which is none other than security. Let's find out how NFTs are secured. NFTs aren't safe. And this is the straightforward answer to this query. Threat actors are well-known opportunists who will try to steal any valuable commodity, whether real or digital. And while NFTs are still in their infancy from a business standpoint, their rapid increase in popularity has opened up a whole new avenue for hackers. This isn't just a hypothetical concern. It's happening right now. Multiple nifty gateway NFT user accounts were hacked in March, and attackers were able to transfer already purchased NFTs from the accounts, as well as purchase new ones to transfer with their payment cards on file. Malicious actors can also spoof NFT platforms to steal users' credentials and/or install malware. Remote access is possible. Trojans are a type of attack that allows an attacker to gain complete control of an affected system through the internet. They can also intercept passwords and keystrokes, among other things, using this method. You should know that NFTs, like cryptocurrencies, are blockchain-based. Hence, they're designed to be devoid of rules and control. As a result, the sector has legal loopholes that allow some people to operate with impunity in certain situations. On the plus side, NFTs have a higher chance than cryptocurrencies of becoming a major player in everyday life. Imagine being able to finish real estate and paperwork in a fraction of a second by simply transferring the NFT from the landlord to the client on the ERC-721 blockchain. Consider how it could be used to make licensing records and car documentation more visible, understandable, and safe and secure. Simple, fully confirmed name transfers are also supported. So that concludes today's video. Now I hope you've clearly understood what NFTs are, as I've tried to explain it as simply as possible. If you enjoyed the content, please like the video. And most importantly, subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. In the meantime, you can catch up on some of our other videos. Let us know in the comment section below this video if you think NFTs are worth the investment or not. If you're seriously interested in learning to trade cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, then please check out the link in the description box below this video for an excellent in-depth video course on trading cryptocurrency and much more. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care and goodbye. Disclaimer: it's important to note that I'm not a financial advisor. The information provided in this video is purely for entertainment and educational purposes. It's not investment or trading advice. Therefore, do your own due diligence, educate yourself, and make sure you understand what you're doing before making any crypto-related investments.